Okay, right. So tonight we're going to show you how to do a 15-minute green Thai curry on the Kadak barbecue. Now we're going to do it in this. This comes with the Kadak barbecue, Safari Chef 2. It's the wok. It's very simple, and it does the job. It's brilliant. We're not going to cook rice. We're going to use a good old pack of Uncle Ben's. Now we've got a microwave in the caravan, so that means that we can heat this up. But if you haven't got a microwave, oh sorry, there you go, Mrs. T.
Thank you.
If you haven't got a microwave, then just heat this up in some water, or however they tell you on the back, in a pan. There you go. And Bob's your uncle, or Ben even, because it's Uncle Ben, not Uncle Bob. So what we're going to use, we're going to use one of these magic little kits. It's a Thai green curry kit. Now we've got these from Tesco's in the past and Aldi, and this one is an Aldi one, and they cost a couple of quid, don't they?
Well, Aldi or Aldi, we're not quite
Aldi
sure
or
which.
Aldi, I don't know whether it's your northern or southern or whatever.
You say potatoes and I say potato.
Yeah, so there you go. So this is the kit. Let's just have a look, see what's in the kit. So what we've got inside here is a sachet of coconut milk,
Yummy.
a sachet of green Thai paste, and then you've got the herbs. That's like your lemongrass and everything else. So, and that's all you need. What else you need is chicken, which is here, which we've just got some diced chicken, and then we put in some sugar snap peas, or you can put in mange too, or anything like that. And that's it. A little bit of olive oil to start it off with, and off we go. So let's go over to the Kadak and start again. Okay, first of all, chuck some olive oil into a really hot pan, like that. So that pan is really hot already. Then what we need to do is put those spices in that oil, like that. There we go. And just a little bit of the milk. There we go. Just cook that off gently. You can see that's bubbling away, cooking away. Yeah. And then all we need to do now is just pop in that chicken. And the whole idea now is just keeping that chicken on the move, in all those spices, in that hot wok, and just getting all that cooked down and really nice. We'll come back to you again in a second. Okay, right, so you can see that chicken is now absolutely cooked. It's nice and tender. It's coated with all those spices. So we're going to do the last bit now. We're going to get that coconut oil, sorry, the coconut milk, and put all that inside there, like that. We're going to pop in the spices. Let's just chuck those in. Sprinkle them in. And then we're going to pop in those peas. Just like that. Stir it round. Just like that. And then the whole idea now is just keep this on the move for about 5 minutes. So it just brings a little bit of tenderness into those peas. You get all those spices infusing in the peas and that coconut milk and that chicken. And then just really finishing that off. So while I'm doing that, I've got a job for you, Mrs. T. You can go and warm Uncle Ben up in the microwave.
Lucky Uncle Ben.
Right, and that's it. That's been bubbling away now for about 3 minutes. Mrs. T has done the rice, haven't you?
How?
Perfect.
Big girl, me.
So we're going to move that to the table and serve up. Let's turn the Kadak off. Okay, right, follow me over. Here we go. And that's it. That's taken us about 15 minutes. Thai green chicken curry in a coconut milk, some basmati rice, couple of glasses of wine, cheers,
Oh, cheers.
and some bowls to eat it. And there you go. Thanks very much. I really appreciate you watching this. Give us a thumbs up as well if you can. I'd really appreciate that. Hit that red button and subscribe, because the more you subscribe, the more you can watch and more we can bring to you. And that's it really. We're going to have our dinner now. That is how to do a Thai green chicken curry on a Kadak Safari Chef 2 barbecue. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.